What's up guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So we all know that OxygenOS 16.1 is coming very soon. And today I'll tell you guys all the features, changes, what will be coming to OxygenOS 16.1. See, in China, ColorOS 16.1 have already been released for the beta tester. And in a previous video I mentioned about, that beta program is not coming in India, but that was only for OxygenOS 16.1. For OxygenOS 17, beta program will be coming to India also. So don't worry about that. But in this video, we'll talk about all the changes, what you guys will see with OxygenOS 16.1. And trust me guys, this will be a huge update for OnePlus smartphones. By the way, all the credit goes to Android Leaks YouTube channel. I'll put up the direct video link in the description below. You guys can check it out and also follow Android Leaks. But before talking about the features guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. Now starting with the biggest change, which is lock screen. Earlier you only had the basic notification options which you could hide content and just see the count. But honestly, it was not that useful. Now with this update, you get this new capsule style notification system. So basically multiple notifications gets combined into one clean bubble. You can see app icon and count, and if it's a single notification, then you get a proper details. But the main thing here is not just the design. It's how everything feels. When you interact with it, the capsule expands, turns into a card, notifications comes out one by one, and even the clock adjusts automatically. Everything feels very smooth and properly connected. Now one thing you will notice throughout this system is the animation. They are not just smooth, they actually react properly to touch. You can swipe up, stop in between, and it still feels natural. Nothing breaks, nothing lags, it continues smoothly. Even small elements on the lock screen respond whenever you interact, which makes the whole experience feels more alive. Now whenever you play music, this is where things gets really good. The lock screen creates a separate music section, and when you open it, it basically turns into a full music screen. You get a big album art, background changes based on the colors, and even the live lyrics. There's also a separate lyrics screen if you want to see everything clearly. And yes, all of this even works on always on display. Honestly, this feels better than the most music app itself. The level of smoothness and details here is very impressive. Apart from that, the lock screen is now actually useful in real life. It can show things like navigation, walking, or cycling tracking, and even the timer. So for example, if you're using the map, you can directly see your route on the lock screen without unlocking your phone again and again. Even the always on display keeps updating in real time, which is very useful. And same thing with timer. They continue properly and show accurate time without needing to wake the screen. Now coming to the UI changes, OxygenOS 16 will look a lot cleaner compared to before. Earlier there was more glow effect, but now it's reduced. You get better depth, better blur, and overall more natural look. And the good thing is this is not forced. If you don't like it, you can simply switch it off, so you have full controls how your UI looks. Control center also got improved. Now you open it, there's a smoother movement, and when you close it, it fades nicely. It just feels quicker and more responsive overall. Small change, but you will notice it in daily usage. Notifications are also much better. Earlier grouping looked a bit messy, but now each notification appears as a proper card. Everything is clean and animations are smooth. When you swipe on the notification, you will notice a soft flowing effect, which is a small detail but makes the UI feel premium. On the home screen side, there are a couple of small but useful features. Now you can sort app by colors. Basically this one was introduced on Android 17 developer preview builds, and you can also install the launcher application. I'll provide the video in the description below. Just watch that video and you can get the launcher features on your devices running OxygenOS 16. Now coming to the main highlight again, which is animation. We all know that ColorOS and OxygenOS animations are already good, but now everything is more faster, more responsive, and even if you stop your gesture in between, it still feels smooth. Whether you are opening apps, switching pages, or just scrolling, everything feels consistent and polished. Apart from all this, there's also some improvements in the system intelligence and AI features. Nothing very major right now, but clearly they are building towards more feature in future updates. So overall, OxygenOS 16 will be a feature-rich update for OnePlus smartphones. With top-level animations and all these small changes together makes a big difference. So which is that feature or change which you guys are most excited about on OxygenOS 16.1? Let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
Play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find it.